welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the wall you need to decorate if you want to change your life. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Baina. I'm an interior designer, and today we are going to be talking about the future wall. Not to be confused with the feature wall. So the future wall is a concept that I use in my decorating process, and it's a combination of feng shui and interior design. Feng shui deals with the more symbolic side of decorating, the feeling side, the meaning behind why you choose certain things, where you place them, and what it says about you and your life. So the future wall is the wall that you see when you first walk into any room, okay? What people place in their future wall is usually what is either wished for or feared, okay? So I want you to think about in every room that you go into what you have placed there. It could be something beautiful that you love. It could be clutter. It could be an unfinished project. It could be nothing. All of these can be changed, but it's important to be aware of them, okay? In the homes of people who are satisfied in life, they tend to put at least one treasured item on the future wall. That could be a beautiful painting that you love. It could be a mirror. It could be a memento, something meaningful that's prized to you. Some other positive things would be trophies, diplomas, or awards. You want to think about adding a representation of your area of expertise. My future wall is behind me right now. When you look into my office, is the first wall that you see, and I put all of my favorite design books on the table behind me. Beautiful, healthy plants. And we put this amazing plant that I got at the farmer's market in Brentwood, Los Angeles, which is like a very nice area, and I'm in love with the plant. So much that I brought it with me from California, Pennsylvania, and back to Texas, doing really healthy. I placed that there. Another thing that would be positive would be to put like computers or work tables that you actually use in your future wall, okay? So you don't wanna put like your filing cabinet necessarily with all these like former tax documents and anything heavy that when you look at just looks like a burden, but you would wanna put like a nice desk, your laptop, things organized, okay? Because that's what you're gonna bring into your future. So the challenging things for the future wall would be to just have it empty, have nothing on it. I worked with a woman once and she was like, I just don't know what to put on this main wall of my room. And then after we talked more, I realized that she actually was kind of in a place in her life where she wasn't actually sure what she wanted out of life. Did she want to move? Did she want to change careers? So it's kind of like, again, the home sort of reflects what's going on in our everyday life. Another thing that would be negative to put in your future wall would be like piles of unread reading material, just past vacation photographs. There's a delicate dance between appreciating some goals and things that we've accomplished in our past to like living in the past, okay? In general, just photos and mementos of old accomplishments would not be great. So all right, so where do you start? So I want you guys to think about what you have placed on your future wall right now in any room, okay? Go into your bedroom, stand in the front door. What's the first wall do you see? Often it's the bed. The bed is the most important piece of furniture in a bedroom, and that's something I don't think you should skimp on. I mean, still get a good deal, but like don't go for get a nice bed. Like the bed is the thing you should spend the most money on in a bedroom. If you walk into a proper entryway and you're like looking down the hallway, then down the hallway is your future wall. Maybe you paint that a saturated, amazing color and put a beautiful piece of art, something that draws your eye, down that hallway. If you walk into your living room, just like mine, first wall you see is the fireplace, that's your future wall. In my kitchen, I've talked about this on the last video, when you walk into my back door, which I use mostly because that's where I park, and I see the laundry room wall and I also see the side of the refrigerator. So I decided I was gonna use that to hang some pictures, like little magazine cutouts and magnets and stuff. Make it a little loose because I feel like, I'm gonna be like painting and doing sort of like glamorous color scheme. So I want this like looseness on the refrigerator, but I actually opened up all of the magnets that I brought with me from my old apartment because I like to collect like magnets of different cities when I go there. And I was like pulling out the Los Angeles one and I'm like, nope, we're not putting the Los Angeles magnet on the future wall. That is not what we love LA, but we need to like move forward here. So I'm gonna find I want a really cool Texas shaped magnet for my future wall in the kitchen. So I hope this video was helpful and fun and educational and empowering. I want to know in the comments below, what is the state of your future wall? What do you have there? Does it empower you? Is it amazing? Do you need to get rid of stuff, guys? If you do need to get rid of things that are just an emotional drag, things that don't make you feel good, things that remind you of bad times. That should not be in your future wall. There shouldn't be any clutter. There should not be boxes of disorganized things that you need to donate to Goodwill. Go ahead and go donate them. But let me know where you are with the process, and let me know what you think about the future wall, all right? Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.